Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then connecting. First, make sure Mongodb is installed and reachable. Run Mongodb version. Next, prepare your connection string, user, and password, or plan to connect to localhost 27017. Once done, open a terminal and run Mongodb with the connection string, or simply run Mongodb to enter the local shell. You will see the prompt. This means you are connected and ready to run commands and inspect databases interactively. You now explore data and run queries. First, list databases with show DBS and switch to one using use followed by the database name. This changes the context. Then list collections with show collections and check counts using DB, collection. Count documents, for reads run DB, collection. Find, query, and refine fields with projection like DB, collection. Find, field 1, use, pretty, to format results. Make sure to test queries with small filters, because large scans can be. You finish by making changes and verifying outcomes. Insert with DB, collection. Insert one doc or insert many array. Update records using update one or update many with a filter and $set. Remove with delete one or delete many. After each write, check the result object for acknowledged, inserted ID, or n modified so you know it succeeded. If something goes wrong, check current user. For permissions, use DB. Get last error, for write issues, and inspect server logs for authentication or connection errors. This single check often reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.